Hi guys and gals of the TDPRI, this is Crawfish, and I'm here with my newly rebuilt Fender Champion 600. If you've been following the thread online, you know that I rebuilt it with a 5F1 late 50s tweed circuit in it, tube rectifier, old tubes, some old switches to kind of give it a real 50s vibe. I've also got a Weber 6-inch speaker in it. To my ear, sounds a lot better than the original speaker it came with. So I'm going to play a couple of things to give you an idea of the tone, and I also have one of these to play on, so hopefully that will help. So here's something that's pretty clean.